In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access users and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager, and to edit any password, click on it and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit, change whatever you want to, and when you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!